we have a bag unboxing. I haven't done a bag unboxing in so long and I really actually miss it. But then again, I haven't really been buying bags like that, okay? But I saw this bag and I was hooked. I was interested. I was like, reel me in. I need to know more. And the cherry on top is that it's black owned. Like, y'all know how I roll. I love me a good black owned brand. And this one is no exception. This is from Rudiments. I found them on TikTok just scrolling. And I actually found him through his girlfriend because she's been promoting the bags, okay? And I saw it and I was like, oh, I need to know more. And so I started scrolling, doing my investigations, and sign me up. Sign me up. So we're gonna do a quick little unboxing. But if you're new here, hey, I'm Chi Chi and I talk about all things lavish but logical. So if that's your sort of thing, go ahead, subscribe, make some friends in the comment section, and follow me wherever I am off this platform. So shout out to the girlfriend because she, when I tell you, is promoting the heck out of that bag. Sir, she needs to be your wife because behind every man is a stronger woman. Okay, so that's how I found the bag. So I was just like, oh, this bag is so interesting. Let me look. All right. And then I just liked his energy. I liked the concept of the bag. And I was just like, yeah, okay. When I went onto the site, right, they had two colors. They had an orange one and a green one. One of the two was signed out. Both of those colors, I'm like, oh, that's mama's colors. But I was like, do I really want a green bag? Do I really want another orange bag? Because I have those colors. It's funny because I was thinking like, oh, you know, I want it, but I want it in a better, like a more vibrant color. And as luck would have it, the universe started aligning and he started posting like sneak pictures like, oh, when should I drop this one? What should be the name of this one? And I'm like, let's go. Let's go. So when he finally released this bag, I was like, yoink. And I actually liked the checkout process for now because again, it's new. If you signed up for like their email alerts and things like that, the day of the drop, you got like a little passcode to go in. However, for this launch, which I kind of knew it was going to be a little bit of a fight, their site crashed and it wasn't back up, and I think they had to push the date of this release. Child, I'm talking too much. This is the dust bag. Again, it's a small black owned business, so I am giving them what? Grace. So it did come in a bigger box, very well packaged in the box. It had a plastic over this. Y'all know I don't like to be rustling all over, but are you ready? I mean, I feel like my exposure is too much. Hold away. So this is their lunch bag in the color Rosado. I mean, look at it. The reason why it's a lunch bag, you have these magnets. And then on the top of the bag has you see how the edges are reminiscent to a brown paper bag? Some of the strongest magnets I've seen. Bigger brands don't even do this. Luxury brands don't even have magnets this strong. But it's about 8 magnets, 4 on each side. So she's secure, right? And then inside it was stuffed. You see that strap, you know where I'm going. It was stuffed to perfection. And inside, it is a pit bag, but it does have a slit pocket. Pretty substantial slit pocket on the side as well. And I already ruined it for you guys, but she has a shoulder strap. So its hardware is silver. And then on the base, even on the base of the bag, we have feet. You know, us ladies love the feet. I saw this bag and I just wanted a pink bag. I do not have, well, I'm lying. I do have one pink bag, but It's funny because I read something, I don't know how true it is or not, but y'all know I went through a breakup, and they said if a girl goes through a breakup and she was never into pink and she starts getting into pink, she's healing or healed. I mean, so is this my healing bag? And it's true because I have been getting into pink and being more girly and feminine, but I just like the bag, okay? I like how it just rolls up. I can tuck it and go. Look at that. I can throw it crossbody, and this is a long strap. Long strap with at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 settings, maybe 7, because something probably is hidden under this one. I loved it. I loved it. I hope you guys can hear me all the way back here. I'll try to talk a little louder, but look at that. She's a model. She is a sidewalk stallion. I love it. I freaking love it. Do I just want to do it to the hands? It's the hands. Oh, I'm tired. I don't want to carry it by hand. I have my handy dandy strap. And ladies, I'm plus size, okay? 5'7", 260 pounds. Look at that. And it's not even on the longest setting. It's probably somewhere in the middle. Look at that. I'm gonna be stomping around New Jersey and New York. Look at my bag. Oh, who's your bag? Rudiments. Rudiments. It's so fun. It's so fun. It is big on the body, but if you carry a lot of things, this is great. Because in the summertime, I'll be trying to carry bottles of waters and things. I'm really not planning to wear it with a strap. I really just want to wear it as a clutch because I think like it's so dope. It's fly. You just roll it up and just tuck it. Tuck it. I'm coming for you. I'm coming to the function. Just look at that. Look at it. I roll it up. I just carry it. I would keep it down here, but y'all probably can't see it down here. But yes, I think it's so cute. So the length of the bag is 10 inches. The height is 9 inches. I don't know whether that includes like whether it's 9 inches from when it's open or when it's closed. Y'all got a ruler, y'all can figure it out. And then the depth is 5 3/4 inches. This is ostrich embossed vegan leather, finished with a soft structured feel with distinctive quill texture, suede interior with a slit pocket. There we go. There you have it. So it is vegan leather, but who all gonna know? Who all gonna know? Who's all gonna know? So I just loved how this bag looked, okay? And it's a lot different than a lot of these other vegan bags that I have seen and I do own. So if this is vegan leather, I mean, why not? Why not make it look the most expensive? Because y'all know the ostriches and the exotic leathers, they are expensive. So why not get the look and feel of it for a fraction of the cost? I'm just saying. So yeah, I was just really, really drawn to this bag. I look at it and I'm just like, oh my gosh, like, I know y'all gonna see I would see the vision, girls. But yeah, I just really like it. It's a pit bag. It's basically a bucket bag if I had to label it. But it is it's unisex. It's for the men's, the stylish men, the stylish women, fly men, fly women, whoever, fly persons, things, whatever you want to be called. But I really, really like this bag so much. Now I can't speak to, the wear and tear. I just got it, so I don't know how color transfer or anything like that will be. But just look at the damn bag. That should be my thumbnail. Hold on, let me fix my hair. Y'all know me. I love to support a small business, and You know, I'm just tired of giving these big brands my money, okay? I need to diversify my funds. And I always try to come to y'all with that new, that exclusive, you know, the things that not everybody is talking about, or, you know, it's on the up and coming, okay? This is the perfect time because spring is here, although winter is slow to leave, but look at it. It looks so good. It looks so good. I'm gonna have so much fun. Can't wait for all the compliments. And where'd you get the bag? Oh, I got it from Rudiments. But check out some of my videos and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye guys.